Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above $2.65. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.65, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above $2.65, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength going forward. Next level of support after that would be that previous breakout point down here right around $2.55. So $2.65 and $2.55, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 265 would be great, but as far as the grand scheme of things is concerned, just staying above that purple line, that represents the bulls being 100% in full ownership of the chart. What about areas of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact that the party finally stopped during the final 30 minutes of the day right up there at $2.78. So $2.78 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, resistance levels really don't matter. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what the chart has already been doing and the price has already been doing, and that is right here. As long as the price keeps on doing that, building higher lows, or if you want to look at those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.